What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best printers in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll kick things off for today with the Canon PIXMA MG3620, also known as the best budget printer available on the market in 2023. This printer supports both USB printing and Wi-Fi printing, so you can easily and quickly print a document or photo directly from your phone. The device supports color and black and white printing. No paper jams, color smears, or overlapping text one by one. The maximum paper size for printing is A4. Scan resolution 1200 by 2400 dpi, which is just fine for most users. The print speed of this printer is not slow at all. In black and white printing, 10 pages per minute. Solid stuff. It's very convenient if you print a large number of documents, and the device fixes all printed sheets and prevents them from falling off. Color printing speed is 6 pages per minute, which is also very good. Photo printing on the printer is also available. The printer also supports double-sided printing, which is very convenient and efficient. There is a silent mode option in the printer settings. You can also go with borderless printing, which is always useful when printing photos on photo paper. The quality of these printed photos was sometimes more pleasing than the salon prints. The actual consumption of paint was not small. Approximately 20 photos were printed before the cartridges needed to be refilled. The printer also has scanning and copywriting capabilities. The printer is essentially a 3-in-1. This is a big plus. Overall, we'd like to point out that the users are very satisfied with this printer, and with its long service life, it'll remain an irreplaceable helper in the home for many years. The Canon PIXMA MG3620 comes in the size of 12 by 17.7 by 6 inches and weighs 11.9 pounds. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. If you're looking for a printer that'll provide you with the top bang for the buck, we say look no further than the HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E, which grabs the title of the best value printer in 2023. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 printer is an efficient product that is known above all for its multifunctionality. It's a model that has impressed the market and made office work easier in small and medium-sized companies. It's agile, powerful, elegant, and super practical. The device is also capable of printing, scanning, photocopying, and faxing with the best quality and resolution that only an HP MFP can do. We'd like to take a moment to talk about the good design that characterizes this printer manufactured to the highest quality standards. The company has created a model with a unique style that attracts a lot of attention. It's that it's beautiful and elegant, but at the same time, compact and of just the right size. The best thing is that the same device is responsible for printing, scanning, photocopying, and faxing, which guarantees time savings and better use of space. This is a smart printer that can save time through the shortcuts of the well-known SmartTax, which you'll find in the HP Smart application. It also enables automatic two-sided printing and scanning. If this thermal inkjet printer has anything to boast about, it's its wireless connectivity that works via Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Similarly, it provides mobile printing through apps like HP Smart and Apple AirPrint. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 printer has an input tray with a capacity of up to 250 sheets, but it can handle an output capacity of up to 60 sheets. It's also capable with A4, A5, A6, B5 size paper, envelopes, cards, and photo paper. Although it's especially appreciated for supporting matte paper for presentations, brochures, thick plain paper, glossy paper, among others, this is a compact printer up to 30% lighter than the previous model. It's also cheap if you consider the quality and features it has, which makes it the best value for your money. The next product on our review list is the Brother MFC-L2750DW, which in our humble opinion is the best mid-range printer available on the market in 2023. This all-in-one printer is fast and offers practical features such as fast ADF, fast two-sided printing and copying, faxing, and a second paper tray. This is one of the company's first XL laser printers, which simply means the printer comes with plenty of extra toner in the box. It's fast enough and prints well, making it a worthy choice for home and home use. A monochrome laser monoblock for small offices and workgroups, or even individuals with copying and optical printing workloads. The L2750DW XL offers a high-speed automatic document feeder, two-sided printing and copying, color scanning, fax, and integration with cloud applications such as OneNote. The 2.7-inch color touchscreen doesn't look fancy, but it's effective. You can't swipe like you can on a smartphone screen, but pressing the virtual up-down buttons on the menu screen will get you where you want to go pretty quickly. Lift the 50-sheet automatic document feeder from the top of the printer to reveal the scanner glass. The cover stays in place at an angle of approximately 45 degrees, so you don't have to hold it when inserting a document to scan. There's a pull-down notch where pages enter the ADF to prevent them from sliding out of the device. To make things easier, there's a 10-key keypad for entering fax numbers. The paper tray at the bottom of the machine can hold up to 250 sheets of paper. Above this drawer behind a hinge lid is a second entry spot for special media. For example, it can handle up to 10 envelopes. This printer is not just any old printer. It does everything from copying and scanning to faxing and making copies of things like IDs or resumes. It even has built-in wireless, so you don't have to keep it connected to different computers around the office. Scanned documents look sharp, with clear PDF views of text forms. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. If you're looking for a product of the highest quality, and you aren't hesitant to spend an extra $1 or $2 to get one, we especially recommend Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5850 for you as the best premium printer available on the market in 2023. EcoTank printers have established a solid reputation for being able to offer continuous ink or CISS systems to the general public. EcoTank means a good investment and maximum savings because these printers have a unique technology that makes them stand out and makes them up to 30 times better than traditional ink systems. The design also integrates a rather innovative and precise printhead. This offers you greater certainty in all your impressions. With EcoTank, you'll get reliable prints with superior color and sharpness. The Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5850 has everything you could ask for in a business printer, in addition to having a 150,000-page warranty. Although it may seem like an expensive printer, you'll enjoy a high-end experience for years to come. And yes, the EcoTank printer offers a low cost per page overall. Also, this easy-to-use EcoTank printer handles your printing, scanning, copying, and faxing. A4 jobs can be done quickly with fast print and scan speeds. Two 250-sheet front-loading A4 paper trays, a 50-sheet rear paper feed mechanism, and a 50-sheet A4 automatic document feeder, or ADF. This fast, efficient printer delivers its first page in just 5.5 seconds. The LCD touchscreen allows you to easily select functions. Furthermore, unlike other printers, this EcoTank model is equipped with economical ink bottles. With EcoTank, just print directly from your mobile devices, tablets, and laptops. With Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct, you can send your documents to print from smart devices via the Epson iPrint 2 app. Filling the large font ink tanks is easy with resealable ink bottles. The printer uses the Zero Heat Precision Core printhead, which is known for its speed, reliability, and efficiency, and lasts for the life of the printer. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Finally, we present to you the gold medal and the title of the best overall printer available on the market in 2023. It's the Canon ImageCLASS MF743Cdw. This model has a really high printing speed. It prints color documents much faster than black and white documents. We're looking at a mid-range, all-in-one color laser printer that can print, scan, copy, and fax, designed primarily for small to medium offices and work groups that require small to medium print and copy volumes. Overall, there's a lot to like about this mid-range color laser all-in-one, including Canon's exceptionally detailed, bright, and accurate color rendering. Additionally, the Canon ImageCLASS high-definition touchscreen provides an intuitive user interface. Compared to inkjet printers, this Canon laser printer is faster, cheaper, and uses a longer-lasting toner cartridge. As such, it's a good small business printer and one of the best all-in-one home printers out there. Double-sided printing and the ability to print multiple pages on a single sheet reduce paper consumption, and by combining new fusing technologies with low melting point toner, Canon reduces energy consumption. The product weighs 64 pounds and requires 2 people to move. At 18.8 by 18.8 by 18.4 inches, it's large and requires space on top to fully raise the scanner lid. The document feeder is located on top of the unit and is accessed by lifting a cover that also serves as the document feeder input tray. There's also a 50-sheet multi-purpose bypass tray, accessed by pulling the front panel. Paper output tray, a pocket on the front of the cabinet can hold 75 sheets, while the recommended monthly print volume for this model is up to 4,000 sheets. The large 5-inch color touch panel on the control panel, which allows users to move icons like a smartphone screen and supports offline operation. The touch panel allows users to create on-screen buttons for key functions such as scanning and copying presets, copying passports and IDs, and printing templates. The front panel has direct USB print port that supports printing of JPEG, TIFF, and PDF files. Designed for small and medium-sized businesses, this printer offers excellent features. high image quality, and minimal maintenance. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best printers in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.